Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now you have to click install. Now click open. And now click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now you have to click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can click back and click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.